Many happy returns of the day, Mittu Maharaj.
हैप्पी बर्थडे मीठू। जीवन में खूब अगिया वधो, समाज में कुटुंब में खूब नालो कमाए। कोविड में कम करे पुठिया भी एटलो नालो कमाए અને એનાથી વિશેષ નાલો કમાય। ચાલો તું પણ એટલો જ નાલો કમાય। કોવિડ में कम करे ने અને અગિયા ડોક્ટર जी ફિલ્ડ में અગિયા વધા જ અને खूब નાલો કમાય। समाज में कुटुंब में मड़े में खूब नालो वडो कई।
खुशियों के सावन को दिन ये आता है, साल में सिर्फ एक ही बार दिन ये आता है। खुशियों के सावन को दिन ये आता है, साल में सिर्फ एक ही बार दिन ये आता है। आया जन्मदिन तेरा ये दिल आज गाता है, आया जन्मदिन ये दिल तेरा आज गाता है। खुश रहना हर पल तू दिल ये गाता है, खुश रहना हर पल तू दिल ये कहता है। आया जन्मदिन तेरा ये मन आज गाता है। हंस ले गा ले है सुहाना ये सफर, तुमको लगे हमारी ही उम्र। हंस ले गा ले है सुहाना ये सफर, तुमको लगे हमारी ही उम्र। ये दिन तो लाता है प्यारे नजारे, लौट के ना आएंगे पल ये सुहाने। खुश रहना हर पल तू देता है, आया जन्मदिन तेरा ये मन आज गाता है। तन में जब भी बुखार आता है, झूम कर डोल कर तू डोलो देता है। तन में जब भी बुखार आता है, झूम कर नाच कर तू डोलो देता है। वो दिन जल्द आएगा जब तू इंजेक्शन लगाएगा, ठीक कर सभी को दुआएं सबकी पाएगा। खुश रहना हर पल तू दिल ये गाता है, आया जन्मदिन तेरा ये मन आज गाता है। आया जन्मदिन तेरा ये मन आज गाता है, आया जन्मदिन तेरा ये मन आज गाता है। हैप्पी बर्थडे विकेश।
Hi Vikesh, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday. Vikesh જ્યારે નાનો હતો ત્યારે સમય મળે ત્યારે પૂજા કરતો હતો. એ પૂજાના ફળના પ્રતાપે આજે પ્રભુ સેવામાંથી એ માનવ સેવામાં લાગી ગયો. બસ આમ જ આગળ ને આગળ પ્રગતિ કરતો રહેજે અને માનવ સેવાને ખૂબ ખૂબ આગળ વધે.
Happy birthday Mithu, God bless you. બહુ બધી મેમરી આવી મિતેશ સાથે, પણ મેઇન મેમરીઝ જ્યારે જલંધરથી અચી લો ત્યારે અસી કે બધું હમાલ કઈ દવા રાજ્યો પત્તા રમધાવા અને બહુ 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 મને મેમરીઝ આવી. So really enjoyed with you a lot. God bless you અને અહીં આગળ ખૂબ ખૂબ પ્રગતિ કરીએ. હેડી અસાંજી અંતરજી શુભકામના.
Hi Mitesh, happy birthday.
So Mitesh, one memory that I remember is back forth when we both were in Jalandhar. I think it was the 5th of July 2017. I had come to Jalandhar, and those 4 days were fully filled with a lot of memories. Especially the second last day where we went to Virasat-e-Khalsa. And while coming back in the Wagoner that has already been ridden for 80,000 kilometers, could have stopped anywhere. The way you drove and the way I was counting Naukar mantras for continuously 2 hours. So yes, and also the last day when we visited the Golden Temple, and again we were short in time, so we had to rush to the airport. So all those memories and many more. So cheers for your birthday and have a great one.
Hi Mitesh. So the memory I remember is back when before you went to Jalandhar. After you were done with your MBBS for like a year or two, every week or once in 2 weeks we would go. You, Raj, me, we would go out and go to Carter Road every once a week and have coffee and just talk, and those were some crazy talks we had. Nice coffee with Ram, so that was a crazy memory, and I hope we make many more.
મિતેશ
મિતેશ
જન્મદિવસની ખૂબ વધાઈ બેટા.
જન્મ દિવસની ખૂબ વધાઈ વધાઈ વધાઈ.
હા, ખૂબ સારા સારા કામ કરીશ
સારા સારા કામ કરીશ
અને ખૂબ ગણત.
ખૂબ 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 ભણત.
બેટા મિતેશ જન્મદિવસની ખૂબ ખૂબ વધાઈ. હેવર તો જે કામ જમરે ખૂબ ખૂબ વખાણ કરતા સે સોની સોનીને નાના અને નાનિયાજી છાતી ગજ ગજ ફૂલે હતી બેટા. ભગવાન તો કે હિંતી વધુ સારી શક્તિ દે. ही जन्मदिवसची तके गिफ्ट बेटा आसान तरफथी नाना नानिया तरफथी ही ज तके गिफ्ट बियो तो सरस गाल तके चा मितेश તું ને ચાલુ ખૂબ ખૂબ કમ કઈ જા સારા સારા અને ખૂબ પ્રેમથી રોજા.
પ્રિય મિતેશ, આટલા વર્ષોમાં તારો આટલો નિકટથી પરિચય પ્રથમ વખત જ થયો. તારો લાગણીશીલ સ્વભાવ અને તારો ડેડિકેશન અને સિન્સિયરિટી માટે ખરેખર તો અભિનંદનને પાત્ર છે. તારો આ સ્વભાવ અને આ ગુણો કેળવવામાં તારા મમ્મી પપ્પા ચંદ્રેશભાઈ અને ઉષાબેનનો પણ ખૂબ ફાળો છે અને તેઓ પણ અભિનંદનને પાત્ર છે. કોવિડ જેવી આ કપરી પરિસ્થિતિમાં મિતેશ અને શાલુ તમે બંને જે કામગીરી બજાવી છે તે પ્રશંસનીય છે.
હાય મિતેશ, જન્મદિવસની ખૂબ ખૂબ શુભેચ્છાઓ. ચંદ્રેશ મામા 10 દિવસ લીલાવતી હોસ્પિટલમાં હતા ત્યારે તારી ઉપસ્થિતિ અને તે દાખવેલી માવજત માટે આભારની અભિવ્યક્તિ કરીએ છીએ. Some lines dedicated to Dr. Mitesh and Dr. Shalu. દિવસ રાત જોયા વિના સેવા કરવી નિરંતર નથી આસાન. ઈશ્વરની ખોટ વર્તાય નહીં જો હોય તમારા જેવા ઉમદા ઇન્સાન. હાજર છે તું એ જ હતું આશ્વાસન, અમે તો હતા ઘેર બેઠા નિસહાય પરેશાન. પ્રતીતિ ત્યારે જ થઈ કે હૈ જાન તો હૈ જહાન. મોતથી સતત લડી રહ્યા તમે, કોઈને જિંદગી દેવા એ છે તમારી સાચી પહેચાન. આભાર તમારો માનીએ, તમારું કરીએ સન્માન. ઝળહળતી રહે સદાય તમારા ચહેરાની મુસ્કાન. અમારા સૌ તરફથી હેપી બર્થડે મિતેશ.
Happy birthday, Corona Warrior!
Happy returns of the day, Mitu. Enjoy your day. Be safe and stay blessed. મિતુ 3.5 મહિનેથી તું જકો કોવિડ-19 સ્ટ્રોંગલી હિંમતથી જકો તું કંટ્રીલા સોસાયટીલા એન્ડ ફેમિલીલા ફ્રેન્ડ્સલા મણીલા તું જકો તજી ડ્યુટી ॾिए तो अमेजिंग आहे सैल्यूट आहे तोला कहिए सुपर्ब जॉब कहिए तो अनमें मेनली बेस्ट थिंग એ છે એમાં કે તું જે બધા પેશન્ટ સાથે એમને આટલો ટાઈમ આપીને કે શાંતિથી એમની સાથે જે વાત કરવાની તારી જે સ્ટાઇલ છે એનાથી અડધું પેઇન એમનું ત્યાં જ ફિનિશ થઈ જાય છે સો આ ગુણ આખી લાઈફ તું સાચવીને રાખજે ધીસ ઇઝ અ બેસ્ટ ક્વોલિટી ઇન યુ આખી લાઈફ આવી જ રીતે તું બધાની સેવા કરતો રહે અને આખી લાઈફ તને ખૂબ એન્જોયમેન્ટ મળે તારી લાઈફ ખુશીઓથી ભરીને રહે તું ને શાલુ બંને જણાએ જે કોવિડ-19માં ડ્યુટી આપી છે એને અમે ખૂબ ખૂબ વધાવીએ છીએ આજના જન્મદિવસના દિવસે મને તારી બચપનની ખૂબ બધી યાદો તાજી થાય છે તને બી કદાચ તે સાંભળ્યું તો ઘણીવાર હશે પણ તું જ્યારે બોર્ન થયો ને જે બાઈ બાપુજીના મોઢા પર ખુશી હતી હોસ્પિટલમાં આમ જાણે એક ધમાલ મચી ગયેલી બાપુજીએ બધાને નર્સ વોર્ડ બોય બધાને 50-50 રૂપિયા આમ એકદમ આમ કે ને ખુલ્લે હાથે વાટ્યા અને જે એમના મોઢા પર ખુશી હતી એક વાત તને કદાચ ખબર છે કે નહીં હું જ્યારે બોર્ન થવાની હતી એની પહેલાં બાપુજીએ એક ચાંદીની ફ્રેમ લઈને રાખેલી બટ કદાચ એમનું એ સપનું નહીં થયું પૂરું અને તું જન્મ્યો એના પછી તારો ફર્સ્ટ ફોટો એ ફ્રેમમાં લગાવવામાં આવ્યો એટલે આઈ મીન અલગ જ ખુશી હતી તું બાપુજી કેટલી વાર નવકાર કન્ટિન્યુઅસ બોલે ત્યારે તું માંડ દૂધ પીતો પછી ચંદ્રેશજીએ જે ઓલા ન્યૂઝની આખી મ્યુઝિક રેકોર્ડિંગ કરેલી ત્યારે તું દૂધ પીતો આવા નખરા તો કેટલાય ઝીલ્યા તારા અડધો કલાક ડ્રામા ચાલે ત્યારે અડધી રોટલી તું માંડ ખાય એટલે આ બધું જે અમે લોકોએ તારું બચપનમાં માણ્યું છે અને ભગવાન સાથેનો નાતો ત્યારે તો તારો આખો અલગ હતો જે ભગવાનની સાથે તું રમતો એમની પૂજા કરતો આરતી કરતો આ બધા તારા ટોયઝ આઈ મીન બચપનના રમવાની વસ્તુ હતી જે લગભગ કોઈમાં અમે લોકોએ જોયું નથી આવું ને પ્લસ ઓલું આખા બાપુજીના ઘરે હોલમાં તું બધે પત્તાની 3-4 કેટો લે સોફા પર હોલમાં બધે પત્તા ગોઠવીને મૂકે અને આખું હોલ ભરી નાખે અને પછી કંઈ જજ્યા નથી આવી બધી તારી મીઠી મીઠી બધી યાદો તો કેટલીય આજે યાદ આવે છે તો બસ તું ને શાલુ એકદમ મસ્ત રોમેન્ટિક કપલ છો બેસ્ટ કપલ આવી જ રીતે ખુશીથી લાઈફ માણો અને ખુશીથી રહો બાય
Happy birthday!
હેપી બર્થડે
Happiest birthday, Mitesh Bhaiya. We all are really proud of the work that you've done during this pandemic. Enjoy your day.
Hi Mitesh, you are our superhero and wish you many happy returns of the day.
Hi Mitesh, happy birthday. You are a real hero of our family. Thank you so much for helping us in such a critical situations and we wish you a very bright future and all the best. Bye.
वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे जन्मदिन की खूब खूब बधाई तुम जियो हजारों साल ये मेरी दिल से आरज़ू विश यू अगेन अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे
हैप्पी 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 तू आया है जहान में लेके हजारों ख्वाहिशें हम मांगे भगवान से पूरी हो ये गुजारिशें जो आया तेरा बर्थडे सो लेट्स सेलिब्रेट टुडे तू ख्वाबों को उड़ान दे तो खुशियों को मोल ले
हाँ दिल से कहते हैं सभी हाँ दिल से कहते हैं सभी
हाँ दिल से कहते हैं सभी
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mitesh.
Happy birthday, Mitesh.
Happy birthday, Mitesh Jiju. It's so much fun listening to all of your travel stories, and I really wish that all of us could go to some place for trekking very soon. And I really want to thank you for all the help that you've done in the past 5 months for my mom and dad, both you and Shalu. And have fun on your lockdown birthday.
Hi Mitesh Jiju, happiest birthday. You in true sense are our frontline warrior. What should I say about you? You are an amazing person, obviously. You are a wonderful doctor, proven, and you are an amazing singer too. Such an all-rounder, man. And you are such a chatterbox. I must say, I generally, if I come to your clinic, 45 to 50 minutes are gone there only because both of us start talking about the randomest shit ever. So yeah, happy birthday. Thank you for answering my calls at the weirdest times. And I am telling you, you are like the best addition to our family, to our small little family. And yeah, happy birthday again.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mitesh. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mitesh Mamu. Hi Mitesh. Happy birthday. Just few words. I'm very happy that you are my contact. I have you in my list, and of course by my side every time. It is good to know that there is somebody somewhere, just one phone call away, and I really see you as my brother. I know whatever happens, रात को 2 बजे भी उठ के if I have to call you, you will answer my call and you will be there in the next 5-10 minutes. So I really count on you. And currently जो current scenario है जिसमें I know you are the best doctor, you are one of the best doctors. Shalu is also. So what you and Shalu both are doing is commendable. Like I know you've been working day and night and for this entire COVID-19, and hats off to both of you, and the respect which I have for you grows more deeper. Seriously, doctor, I'm very glad to have you in my contact. I can feel proud ki haan, I have somebody in my contact, somebody who's so close to me, and yes, he is one of the heroes. Yes, you and Shalu both are one of the heroes. Trust me. Doing a great job. Somebody so kind at heart and so humble is really difficult in आज का world. So happy. पर हाँ, ज़्यादा चढ़ मत जाना तो इस बात से. Happy birthday. Bye.
Hi, I can't be with you on your special day, but I will always be there for you in mind and spirit. I wish for you a wonderful birthday. Happy birthday, Dr. Mitesh. और पंजाबी डॉक्टर साहब टेंशन ही लेनी आप उत्थे है नहीं, आप उत्थे ही हाँ. हैप्पी बर्थडे, लव यू.
हैप्पी बर्थडे मल्टी टैलेंटेड बॉय. यू आर अ वेरी स्वीट पर्सन. तुमने मेरे लिए और नीलेश के लिए जो कुछ भी किया है उसके लिए थैंक यू सो मच. गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑलवेज.
Hey guys, hi Mitesh. कैसा है भाई? Wish you a very very happy birthday. Mitesh and I, we've known each other for so long. For me, he is one of my closest friends. We met each other as classmates at Mitki Bhai. This was in the year 2005. So, 15 years. That's how long our friendship has been. 15 years and counting. All through these years, we would try to make plans to meet whenever possible, but often what would happen is that our schedules wouldn't match, and Mitesh would be busy many times, so we would have to cancel. And at those times when we did plan to meet and we could meet, we would usually go and try to catch a good movie, and after that try and visit some restaurants and eateries. Then there are times when we would just do nothing and maybe take long walks down Juhu Beach or Bandstand. And so the way it was that whatever we did or whether we kuch kiya ya nahi kiya, hanging out with Mitesh has always been super fun, and I would always come back home with really memorable moments. There was this time when Mitesh told me that what he valued most in life was not achievements or wealth. For him, it was most important to have a life full of good memories. Because this is what made life sweet, this is what made life worthwhile, and at any point when you look back at your life, you want to cherish these moments and know how fulfilling life has been. And I think this is very profound, and I guess this is what makes Mitesh so special. He is one guy who really wants to live life to the fullest. There is so much that I can say about him, and it wouldn't be enough. He is a traveler, an adventurer, a brilliant doctor, of course, a wonderful friend, a jigri dost who's always been there for me, and he always wants to be there for everyone. That's basically the type of person that he is. He is talented to plan things, know what he wants, and he knows what he should do to get there. And today we can all see the result. It is such a delight to see him as a successful doctor he is. I'm sure that anyone would agree with me when I say that it is such a pleasure and a privilege to call Mitesh a friend. Bro, really Mitesh, I'm so proud of you. And not just me, not just me, but my entire family, all of us, we appreciate you so much. And especially now with this COVID pandemic going on, we've remembered you so often, and you really deserve all the praise and applause from everyone. Pause it. I don't know kitna time ho gaya, I don't know how long I've been going on, and I could keep continuing this way endlessly, but it is your birthday and I think you should go ahead and celebrate. Continue your celebration. So I think I'll stop now, save my words for next time. Okay. Unfortunately, this time we can't meet, but I'm hoping that we'll catch up soon once the COVID situation improves. So Mitesh bhai, wish you a very, very, very happy birthday once again. I wish you all the very best of everything in life, all the success and everything wonderful. And so you take care, maze karna, have a good time with everyone at home, stay safe, and hum jaldi milenge. Hope to see you all soon. Okay, bye.
Bye, happy birthday Mittu. I hope you're having an amazing day, and even though it's corona, I'm sure तेरी family ने और शालू ने काफ़ी surprises plan किए होंगे तेरे लिए. I hope you have an amazing day. Coming back to how we became friends, I don't really recollect honestly, cause भाई the fact is इतना time हो गया है अपनी friendship को कि I don't even recollect कब मिले कैसे मिले, but all I can recollect is you playing in RK. Despite having a bat in your hand, you used to play with your leg. I don't know why. That was quite a successful mantra though, and thank God you left playing cricket, क्योंकि भाई तेरा पैर सही सलामत नहीं होता अब तक. Going back to the memories that we've had some amazing memories. Most of it you've ditched us in the plans and we've got used to it. तेरा टिपिकल डायलॉग आता था पेशेंट के साथ हूँ, पेशेंट के साथ हूँ, और काफ़ी टाइम यू पम्प्ड ऑल्सो इनटू अस इन एट कार्टस, एंड तभी भी तो पेशेंट के साथ ही होता था, बट या वी काइंड ऑफ गॉट यूज्ड टू इट एट द एंड. गोइंग टू योर प्रोफेशन, भाई both you and Shalu are amazing doctors. I really thank you Mitesh. You are God for us in the group. Like मैंने कभी भी नहीं देखा है किसी भी बंदे को कि तूने टर्न डाउन किया हो या नो बोला हो फॉर एनीथिंग. ऑल आई नो इज ग्रुप में कोई भी बंदा इफ़ दे आर इन नीड, इफ़ दे आर इन अ प्रॉब्लम, the go-to person is Mitesh, and Mitesh has never disappointed anyone. He's always been there. It's amazing. I think that comes naturally to doctors, but we are really thankful to have you in our life. और क्या बोल सकते हैं? Stop supporting Pakistan, bro. I really don't like that about you. You are an Indian. Support Indian. यज्ञेश के ऐसे मत बन. Support India. Do not support Pakistan. One more. हाँ, अपना ब्रो कोड ब्रो इतना तगड़ा हो, इतना अच्छा हो कि एक टाइम ऐसा है कि काइली हम सबको राखी बांध दे. आई जस्ट होप यू हैव अ प्रॉस्परस ईयर, अमेजिंग ईयर, अमेजिंग मैरिड लाइफ, अमेजिंग life otherwise as well, and everything that you do brings you success. You know, I'm always there for you whenever you need me, whenever you want anything. I'm always there for you. You can count me. Like, there are few people on my fingertips I can count on, and you're one of them, and I hope it's the same for you. Thanks. Happy birthday मेरे भाई, भाई भाई.
Hey Mitesh, what's up? I wish you a very happy birthday, yaar. To all those people who are watching this video, I know Mitesh since like last 13 years. He was friends with Aditya, and I met him outside NMIMS. This was in 2007. Whenever we meet, it's like always great fun and all. Once we had met for his birthday in 2012. याद है doctor, we had gone to watch Total Recall. एंड आफ्टर द मूवी वेंट टू Domino's, एंड हम लोगों ने इतनी सारी ऑर्डर कर ली ना, एंड ख़त्म ही नहीं हो रहा था. एंड इन द एंड आदित्य हैड टू फिनिश एवरीथिंग. आई रियली मिस दोज डेज, बट अभी क्या करें, अभी लॉकडाउन के वजह से तो मिलना मुश्किल है. सो एनीवेज, आई रियली होप यू हैव अ वेरी ग्रेट टाइम विद शालू एंड योर फैमिली, एंड स्टे सेफ एंड टेक केयर.
Hi Mitesh, I want to wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. I know despite the lockdown, Shalu's made sure you are gonna have a great time, and she's like a sister to me. So welcome to the family. अभी तो सब birthday साथ में ही मनाना है. You can't get rid of us. See you soon. Love you guys. Bye.
Doctor, happy birthday Mitesh. Hope you'll have a great day today, and hopefully a better year than what you are currently having. So आज तेरा बर्थडे है तो तेरे बारे में थोड़ी अच्छी चीज़ें भी बोल देता हूँ. So if you go to see, our friendship started like around 6 to 8 years back, and we became like the best of friends since then. Then you became the brother to Racha, and now most importantly you are the mama to Naira. And तू उसको यार बहुत बिगाड़ने वाला है, ये चीज़ तुझे भी पता है. And God knows like how many more relations we would land up creating in our journey, going ahead. And if I say that, our friendship has just grown better with every passing day. It is just like, the finest wines available in the world. It just gets better with every passing day. And I'm sure, this will go a long way ahead in our lives. जैसे लोग बोलते हैं कि जो तुम्हारे खराब टाइम पे तुम्हारे साथ खड़े होता है, I think they are the ones whom you can bank upon, and you are surely one of those people who have stood by me whenever the chips were down. So just be the way you are, and that awesome friend that I can trust and bank upon for my entire life. Memory with you, just one memory would be difficult. It won't do justice to our friendship, because यार हम लोग ने बहुत enjoy किया है, बहुत सारी memories spend की है साथ में. But अगर मुझे single out करना रहेगा, would surely be hands down our visits to Trident, जहाँ पे यार सारे IPL प्लेयर्स के साथ बहुत मज़े किए थे हम लोग ने वहाँ पे. तुझे रोहित शर्मा करके बहुत लोगों ने ऐसे बोला था कि भाई ये तेरा दोस्त रोहित शर्मा है क्या, ऐसा वैसा करके. एंड ऑफ कोर्स यार कसिनो, गोवा के कसिनो, वहाँ पे आई थिंक हम दोनों ने आग लगा दिया था ये लास्ट ट्रिप में. तो बहुत मज़ा आई थी ये टाइम. एंड एक चीज़ प्रॉमिस कर यार, जैसे ये अपना लॉकडाउन, ये फालतू लॉकडाउन ख़त्म हो जाएगा, कोई आए या कोई ना आए, तू और मैं गोवा निकल रहे हैं फॉर श्योर. शालू भाभी से जो परमिशन लेना है आज लेके रख, बात में कुछ रीजंस नहीं चाहिए, समझा? एनीवेज ठीक है, यू एंजॉय योर डे एंड लेट्स मीट अप सून. ओके, चल, लव यू डॉक्टर, बाय.
Hi Mitesh, many happy returns of the day. Hope I get to meet you soon and get to know you as the wonderful person that I know you are. Have fun, all the best to everything that you want to achieve, and have a blessed and a happy life. Of course, you're with my friend Shalu, so you have to have a happy life. But take care, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye.
Hi Mitesh, many happy returns of the day. Hope you have the most wonderful birthday ever. I know it's come during lockdown, which is like really sad, but I still hope that you have the most amazing, fun-filled, memorable birthday ever. After the lockdown shit is over, we are definitely partying. So till then, have fun and take care. Stay safe. Bye-bye.
Hi Mitesh, happy birthday and happy engagement anniversary. I am blessed to have a true friend like you who has been very helpful to me and also to my friends. Have a nice day.
Mitesh, wish you many happy returns of the day. It's been a long time since I know you, and the way you have excelled in your career and still remain down to earth and been a very true friend who has turned up always when in need. So that's an amazing quality that you have. Stay the same, be happy and have a great day.
Hi Mitesh, wish you a very happy birthday. I just hope that the next upcoming year brings you a lot of joy and a lot of happiness. Also, I want to take this opportunity to really thank you for being utmost helpful when I needed it. And you're an amazing physician. I hope you keep up all the good work. Have a very nice year ahead, Mitesh. Happy birthday once again.
Hello TikTok King, happy birthday to you. एन्जॉय योर डे और जल्दी मिलो. टिकटॉक बनाना है हमको और कैरियोके भी गाना है हमको. स्टे सेफ, हैप्पी, कीप स्माइलिंग. बाय.
Hi Mitesh, wishing you a very happy birthday. May God bless you. You get everything that you truly deserve. Whatever you are doing in your life, we all are very proud about it. Be a good doctor, be a good warrior, and wishing you a very happy birthday. Bye.
A very happy birthday, Mitesh.
Happy birthday, Mitesh.
We wish we could be there to join your party, but unfortunately we can't travel.
So we are partying here for you.
Akele. So I also wanted to tell you a very thanks for your all support during my family crisis, and it was a great help. Thank you very much, and we look forward for a good plans in future. Inshallah, जब भी हम लोग इंडिया में होंगे, we look forward to have a good fun with you guys.
And Alu, thank you for giving us such a good friend.
Thank you very much.
मितेश मेरे भाई, तेरे लिए भाई बस इतना ही बोलूँगा, तू एक नंबर है यार, सही में एक नंबर है. वो प्रोवर्ब है ना, अ फ्रेंड इन नीड इज़ अ फ्रेंड इन डीड, वो परफेक्ट तेरे लिए बैठता है. मतलब समझ नहीं आता तो कैसे कर लेता है यार. मतलब वी आर रियली लकी टू हैव अ पर्सन लाइक यू इन आवर लाइफ, फुल ऑफ लाइफ. मतलब मोस्ट ह्यूमरस, मतलब कभी भी किसी का मूड तो एकदम लाइट कर सकता है. एक तेरे यू आर अ फन पर्सन टू बी विथ. मतलब मज़ा आ जाता है. बार तेरे को यही समझ में नहीं आता क्या बोलूँ भाई. एक ही तो दिल है, तो कितनी बार जीतेगा. डॉक्टर तो तू एक नंबर है ही, साथ में दोस्त भी अच्छा है, एडवाइस भी अच्छी देता है. बट साला बस एक प्रॉब्लम है कि वेट बहुत कराता है, टांग बहुत देता है. बट कोई नहीं, उससे ज़्यादा तू प्यार भी बहुत करता है सबसे. तो बस यही बोलूँगा भाई, सैल्यूट तो तेरे को है ही, बट एक फ्लाइंग किस भी है. ख्याल रख. विश यू many हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. गॉड ब्लेस यू.
हाय मितेश, many हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे भाई. जल्दी मिलते हैं यार, लॉकडाउन खत्म हो गए तो बाहर निकलते हैं, किधर पार्टी मनाते हैं. चलो मिलते हैं. बाय, टेक केयर.
Hey Mitesh, happy birthday brother. Though we have not spent much time together, but the memories I have with you are something that will always makes me happy. Be it the time we were having fun in Goa at wedding or clubbing with you, I've always enjoyed your company and had fun when you are around. So looking forward to see you soon and do more and more party with you. So let's meet soon when this ongoing situation ends. Happy birthday bhai.
Happy birthday Mitesh. Have a great and successful year ahead.
Hi Mitesh, many happy returns of the day. Stay safe, be healthy, keep smiling. Party pending. Bye.
Happy birthday मितेश.
Hey Mitesh, wish you many happy returns of the day.
मितेश भाई अपना यूरोप वाला प्लान रह गया, बट कोई बात नहीं, हम बाइक ट्रिप ज़रूर प्लान कर लेते हैं और फिर मचाएंगे. Till that time, enjoy your day.
Have a great year ahead.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello. Wish you many happy returns of the day, Mitesh. Enjoy your day and take care yourself. Bye.
Hi Mitesh, wish you many happy returns of the day, buddy.
नमस्कार चिकित्सक मितेश काला उर्फ हमारे मित्रगण समूह के रोहित शर्मा. सबसे पहले तो आपको आपके जन्मदिन की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं. और हम सभी मित्रगणों को काफ़ी गर्व महसूस होता है क्योंकि आप इस कोरोना महामारी के एक योद्धा भी हैं. आपके इस जन्मदिन के शुभ अवसर पर मैं आपके बारे में कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ कि आप काफ़ी ही सकारात्मक व्यक्तित्व के इंसान हैं और आप एक काफ़ी ही बहुप्रतिभावान इंसान भी हैं. और जब भी हम में से किसी को भी किसी भी तरह की मदद की ज़रूरत होती तो आप वहाँ पर हमेशा रहते हैं. और जब भी हम आपके साथ रहते हैं तो आप काफ़ी ही मजाक मस्ती करते हैं और हम सभी का मनोरंजन करते हैं. और मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि ये कोरोना महामारी जल्द से जल्द ख़त्म हो जाए और हम सभी वापस से मिलें और उसी तरह से मजाक मस्ती करें और हम सबका मनोरंजन हो. और आप जैसे हैं वैसे ही रहिए. एक बार फिर से आपको जन्मदिन की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं.
Hi Mitesh, firstly wishing you a very happy birthday. May you be blessed with loads of happiness and good health, most importantly, in the coming years. So I remember when Shalu sort of announced it to the entire group that she's getting engaged, and then she told us that how this guy is a doctor. So somewhere at the back of her mind, I was thinking that what kind of conversations will we have, like if we happen to meet him, will it be very heavy on the medical terminologies, or will it be very intellectual conversation, and then we happen to meet you and interact with you for the first time at your after engagement party. And boy, you turned out to be like this totally different guy, at least the kind of image we all had in our heads about you. You turned out to be totally opposite. You turned out to be this typical, Punjabi guy जो चंडीगढ़ से आया है, जिसको पंजाबी songs पे dance करना पसंद है. And I think that is something that sort of connected all of us so well. Specifically me, because I'm the person who likes to, who is into Punjabi music. So I totally thought that, that was the connect between, that was the connect actually, that was something that I connected with you totally on. So thanks for introducing us to the Punjabi music, because the girl gang, our gang typically, we are so much, if you want to see Miti or Shweta, they're totally into the Hollywood music and even Shalu for that matter. But after meeting her, she has changed. Her taste, I would say, has upped a bit. So now she's majorly into Punjabi music. In fact, there are times when at the beginning of your relationship, I remember she would tell us, have you heard this Punjabi song? Have you heard that? And we'd be like, dude, like where is she getting all this information from? And then, of course, we got all our answers once we sort of met you. So thanks for introducing us to all those lovely Punjabi songs and to all the, the Punjabi steps. We love doing it. And so thanks for making us so comfortable and, being so nice to us and, thank you, basically. Thanks. And love you guys. And God bless you. That's
Hi Mitesh, happy birthday.
We are so proud of you for the work you have done in this pandemic.
We wish you an amazing day ahead and an even more amazing year ahead.
मिलते हैं जल्दी, we'll party soon and stay safe, take care. Happy birthday once again.
See you Mitesh.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello Mitya Paji, this one's gonna be in Punjabi, just taking you back to your Jalandhar memories. Well, it's Kylie's idea. So yes, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਬਰਥਡੇ ਦੀ ਲੱਖ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ and I pray ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੰਝ grow ਕਰਦੇ ਰਹੋ and ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ proud ਕਰੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, keep doing it. just want you to know that ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੋਈ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਹੋਵੇ, ਸਲੀਪਰ ਹੋਵੇ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਤੇ ਬਾਹਰ ਵੀ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, everything ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਫਨ ਮੂਮੈਂਟ ਬਣਾ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਐਂਡ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਮਜ਼ਾ ਇੱਕ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਲੈਵਲ 'ਤੇ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਲਿਟਰਲੀ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਉਹ ਬਚਪਨੇ ਦਾ ਸਾਈਡ ਦਿਖਾਉਂਦੇ ਹੋ ਜੋ ਸ਼ਾਇਦ ਅਸੀਂ ਬਿਲੀਵ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਨੂੰ ਉਹ ਸਾਈਡ ਵੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ। ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਸਾਈਡ ਵੀ ਵੇਖਿਆ ਹੈ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਟਰੀਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੇਰੀ ਤਬੀਅਤ ਠੀਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀਗੀ ਐਂਡ ਤਦੋਂ ਤੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਵੇਖਿਆ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਅੱਛੇ ਦੋਸਤ ਹੋ ਉਨੇ ਹੀ ਅੱਛੇ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਵੀ ਹੋ ਐਂਡ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ 'ਤੇ ਬੰਦਾ ਟਰਸਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ ਟੋਟਲੀ ਐਂਡ ਰਿਲਾਈ ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮਸ ਉੱਤੇ। ਸੋ ਇਟਸ ਰੀਅਲੀ ਗ੍ਰੇਟ। It's very rare to find a person like you. I'm sorry I could not say that out in Punjabi, but what I mean is ki ਤੁਸੀਂ seriously great ਹੋ ਭਾਜੀ and like I said before that ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹਰ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਦੀ ਸ਼ਾਨ ਹੋ ਤੇ ਇਸ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਦੀ ਜਾਨ ਹੋ। Just continue saying that. I'm so happy for Shalu and you and it's amazing that I could be part of all your phases in life. Wish you a very happy birthday again. Continue to keep growing and I hope that ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਜਲਦੀ ਮਿਲੇ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਕਰ ਪਾਏ ਸਾਰੇ ਕੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਨਾਲ। It's gonna be fun and I want to end it out with one little song. It's gonna be ਠੇਕਿਆ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਖੜ ਕੇ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਸੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੇ cheers ਮਿੱਤਿਆ ਪਾਜੀ, have fun, bye, I love you.